Hey foodies! Craving that ultra creamy, chocolate-loaded viral doobie milkshake everyone's posting about? It's the fluffy, decadent treat from Dubai Trends. Easy to make at home. This luxurious beverage, inspired by the viral Dubai chocolate bar, combines rich chocolate, creamy pistachio, and crispy katai pastry for an unforgettable experience. Grab your blender and let's whip it up in minutes. Today, I'll show you the exact recipe for 2 servings, ensuring you capture that authentic viral sensation. You'll need 2 cups of premium vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of rich chocolate syrup, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for deep chocolate flavor. But for that authentic doobie essence, we'll also use a 1/4 cup of pistachio paste or finely ground pistachios, and 1 cup of katai pastry, toasted with butter and honey for crunch. Don't forget whipped cream, chocolate shavings, crushed cookies for rimming, and fun toppings like cherries or sprinkles. Pro tip: use high-quality chocolate for maximum flavor and a truly luxurious experience. Start by prepping your glasses for that viral appeal. For an authentic experience, let's create a magic shell inside. Melt dark chocolate and swirl it inside your clear glasses, ensuring a good coating, then pop them into the freezer. As they chill, the chocolate will harden, creating a satisfying crack when you drink your milkshake, a true viral moment. After the chocolate shell is set, rim your glasses with chocolate syrup and dip them into crushed cookies for that irresistible crunch. Chill them in the freezer while we blend. Now let's create the base. Add your 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of chocolate syrup, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder to your blender. This combination forms our rich chocolate foundation. For that signature doobie flavor, also add the 1/4 cup of pistachio paste and a portion of the toasted katai pastry to the blender. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until thick and smooth. If it's too thick, add a splash more milk. Scrape the sides for even mixing. This creates the signature doobie fluff and ensures all flavors are perfectly combined. Pour half of the blended milkshake into each chilled glass, being careful not to disturb the magic shell too much. Add a swirl of extra chocolate syrup down the sides of the glass for an artistic touch. Now it's time to top generously. Add a generous dollop of whipped cream, then sprinkle with chocolate shavings. Crucially, add a good amount of the remaining toasted katai and chopped pistachios for that essential crunch and authentic doobie texture. For virality, layer in strawberry slices or Oreo chunks, emphasizing artistic placement and vibrant colors. To make your creation truly Instagram-worthy and capture that viral potential, think about your presentation. Use clear, tall glasses to showcase the layers and textures. Capture slow-motion pours and close-ups of the toppings. Natural light is always best, but if shooting indoors, use soft, diffuse lighting to highlight glossy textures. Experiment with angles, overhead shots, close-ups of the toppings, and even a dynamic shot of the milkshake being gently swirled can make your content stand out. For those who incorporated the chocolate magic shell, encourage viewers to gently squeeze the cup as they drink for that satisfying crack, a perfect ASMR moment. Beyond the classic, consider variations. A hint of cardamom can add another layer of Middle Eastern aroma. For an extra nutty kick, try blending in a tablespoon of almond butter. Or, for a completely different flavor profile, consider a white chocolate and raspberry Dubai milkshake, still incorporating that crucial katai crunch. Your chocolate viral doobie milkshake is ready. Tag me in your recreations and share your unique twists. Like, share, and subscribe for more hacks and delicious recipes. Enjoy every decadent sip.